car you want to build. Choose a track.
Huh?
How about that? This is a tow truck. It transports broken cars to the garage. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Cabin. Seats. Steering wheel. Door. Door. Wheels. Wheels. Arm. Winch with hook. Hooray! You did it! Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel. Yes, you got it.